For your refrigerator to run efficiently, the condenser coils periodically need to be cleaned. If you have pets, you'll need to clean them more often. Older refrigerators had the coils on the back where they were easily cleaned and didn't attract too much dust or fur. Most newer refrigerators' coils are located underneath or in a location that are often hard to access and clean. Frigidaire has put up a hurdle that makes moving the refrigerator difficult. The front rests on 2 adjustable feet. It's nearly impossible to put a wrench on the 2 feet to lower the front onto its rollers and then be able to roll the refrigerator forward. To outsmart Frigidaire, lift the refrigerator with a block and pry bar, then slip a super slider under each front foot. Now the refrigerator will slide easily and you'll be able to access the coils. Disconnect power before beginning any work and then remove the rear cover if necessary. Special long-handled brushes to clean the coils are available. These coils can't be cleaned from the front of the refrigerator.
A bottle brush from the dollar store can be cut down to fit between the coils. Buy some canned air. To extend the straw, butt 2 equal-sized straws up against each other, lay them on a piece of electrical tape and fold it over. Block any place where dust and fur may be blown with damp towels.
Work the brush between the coils. Use 3 to 5 second bursts of air to remove any debris not removed by the brush. Do not shake the can and do not tilt it more than 45 degrees. The vapors from this product are harmful. Use in a well-ventilated area and read all the warnings on the can prior to use. An air compressor and blowgun will work too. Don't forget to wipe the dust off the blades of the fan.
I hope you found this video helpful. A thumbs up is always appreciated. Click on the channel name, Know How Now, to find other videos, and thanks for watching.